welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share one new item that is added to my kitchen, that is Philips soup maker. To purchase this item I was waiting for quite some time. So let's unbox it and see how we can use it. If you are coming to this channel for the first time, you will find some organization videos, DIYs, productivity tips and hacks, some healthy recipes. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. This is the unboxing video. It has 6 options to have different soup varieties, and it comes with the handle, and this is the plug, and this is the blender that can help to grind the hot items in the soup maker. I thought this can be helpful in our healthy eating, and it can aid in the weight loss program by replacing some items in the dinner with the healthy soups. I made tomato soup and sweet potato soup by using this soup maker. So I am going to show you how we can make this soup by using this soup maker. It was so easy to make in this one. Soup making process will be very easy by using it. In it we just need to add all veggies and other ingredients like salt and water and just turn on it. In 20 minutes the soup will be ready. In the soup maker I am going to make the tomato soup at first. So first I am adding the water in this container, and then chopped onions, half cup of onions, and 2 tomatoes chopped into pieces. We don't need to cut into small pieces. And then some garlic and pepper powder, salt, and that's all. I am placing this lid, and then select the soup option from here. And when you remove the lid from here, the hot and delicious soup is ready to serve. Just pour it into the bowls. When we tasted the tomato soup, it is very delicious. It is similar to the taste of store-bought recipe. All the ingredients are mixed well and it is very tasty. And the other day I have tried the sweet potato soup in the soup maker. So I am adding little bit of oil in this container and chopped onions and sweet potatoes. And here now I am adding water along with some salt and pepper, and then place the lid. The water level should be in between the minimum and maximum levels given in the container. The sweet potato soup is ready to serve in 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a like, share and subscribe.